Hello students, in the last video we discussed integration of sine square, cos square and so on. So today we have to discuss integration of sine raised to 4x. Before I go for integration of sine raised to 4x, let me complete this paper which I had asked you to keep it pending in my first video also. So now recollect what should be done for integration of sine square x with respect to x. Say that you have to use the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to, okay, we have to use the formula, it is 2 sine square theta. If you are not comfortable in terms of theta, you can even use the relation in terms of x also. So whenever we have integration of cos square x with respect to x, what comes in your mind? We have to use the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to, we have 2 cos square theta, where cos square theta I need to balance and then it's possible to integrate. Whenever integration of tan square x, what should be done? We have to use the formula tan square theta, okay, to be taken as secant square theta minus 1. Whenever we have integration of cot square x with respect to x, what comes in your mind? We have to use cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Ready to integrate in cos square, balance, ready to integrate, sin square, balance, ready to integrate. So to make the function ready to integrate, understand result. So what should be done for secant, sec square x with respect to x? Ready for integration. Stand result. Integration of cosecant square x, ready for integration. So after seeing these two terms, you should say ready for integration. Okay, fine. So whenever we have integration of a sine cube x, okay, so which formula comes here in your mind? You have to say, I have to use the formula sine 3 theta is equal to, it is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Or you can claim for one more option, you can keep here one more option, use sine cube theta as sine x, sine cube x as sine x into sine square x, then sine square x to be taken as 1 minus cos square x, okay, write properly here, and then claim for substitution method. So remember the step, either this or this method, okay, any one you can stick on. So what about integration of cos cube x with respect to x? We have formula cos 3 theta is equal to, it is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Or you can think about cos cube to be taken as cos x into cos square. You can claim for substitution method. Cos x into cos square to be taken as 1 minus sine square. Split the term, or you can go for substitution and so on. So what about integration of tan cube theta or tan cube x with respect to x? So we have to say here tan cube x to be taken as tan x into tan square x to be taken as secant square x minus 1. Then the term by term we have tan x into secant square x minus tan x. Integration is possible for tan x, but here put this as t, we are left out with secant square x for substitution. So substitution method is allowed. Similarly, at right here, integration of cot cube x with respect to x to be taken with the same relation here. Cot x into, we have cot square to be taken as cosecant square x minus 1. Term by term, you can just write the steps here. What about integration of sec cube x andaga? Just as a note, you can have it here in your notes also. It is done by parts but not mentioned in your syllabus. Integration of cosecant cube x with respect to x, it is done by parts but not to be mentioned as to depth. So to be mentioned. Similarly, you can say, definitely can remember what should be done for integration of sine raised to 4x. Okay, what should be done, and similar cos raised to 4 and so on. We can have a glance and shortly we'll have the numerical sum. So degree bandaga power 4 mata nimma numerical sums ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Square ಇದೆ, cube ಇದೆ, raised to 4 mata ನಿಮ್ಮ syllabus ಅಲ್ಲಿ exercise question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ discussion ಆಗಿದೆ. So what about integration of sine raised to 4x ಅಂತಂದಾಗ sine raised to 4x to be taken as sine square x whole square. Now only the sine square ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sine square x we have again the same formula, sine square theta can be taken as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. ಅದೇ submultiplication ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ. So we have 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2, we have whole square. So squaring has to be done. When I go for squaring here, this is whole square. 2 square, 4, 1 by 4 coefficient. We are left out with integration of, it is numerator, 1 minus cos 2x whole square. Squaring will be done under a minus b whole square. So what is a minus b whole square? I have taken a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2, a is 1 into b cos 2x. So you have to go for expansion, and at this stage you find here integration of 1 with respect to x. Possible? Yes, it is possible. Integration of cos 2x is possible? Yes, it is possible. What's the answer? It is sine 2x by 2. But how to integrate cos square 2x? Just now we are done, no? What's integration of cos square? Cos square to be taken as, what's the basic relation we find? Cos square theta can be taken as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ angle ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. We have 2x. So cos square 2x ಅಂದಾಗ it should be 1 plus cos double 4x. ನೋಡಿ x ಇದ್ರೆ 2x double, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ double multiple formula. Okay, so here we have to balance properly. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ ನಿಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು cos square x ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೌದಾ? Previous video we discussed. Yeah. So here I should say it is 1 plus cos double of this is 4x whole divided by 2 minus cos 2x kept as it is. So integration of 1 we are it's ready for integration. ಇಲ್ಲಿ one step modification ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x. Ready to integrate. Happy to see this term. Ready to integrate. Ready to integrate. Ready to integrate. But still 1 plus 1 by 2 I can simplify. So still I have not gone for integration. So integration of I kept it as it is. 1 plus 1 by 2. LCM ತಗೋತೀರಾ 2 plus 1 3 by 2 ಅಥವಾ 1 and a half chapati. 1 plus half 3 by 2. Okay. So 3 by 2 is simplified. Half cos 4x kept as it is minus 2 cos 2x kept as it is. Now is it ready to integrate? Yes, ready. Is it ready to integrate? Ready. Ready to integrate? Ready. Under standard result. So at this stage, let's go for integration. 1 by 4 kept as it is. Integration of 3 by 2 with respect to x to be taken as 3x by 2 plus cos 4x sin 4x denominator 4 2s are 8 minus 2 kept as it is. Cos 2x, it is sin 2x by 2. 2 to get simplified plus c should and must. Integration is completed here. Simplification has been done, and let's even 4 coefficient has been taken within the term by term. We have 3x by 4 2s are 8 plus here we find sin 4x denominator. It is 8 4s are 32 minus we have sin 2x upon 4 plus c should be the answer. So how to go for integration of sin raised to 4x to be taken as sin square x whole square. Sin square to be taken as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. Denominator 2 kept out. Numerator we have a minus b whole square. Expand it, you find cos square once again. Whenever you find cos square, integration of cos square to be taken as 1 plus cos double 4x by 2, which makes the function eligible to integrate. Okay, then balance all the terms and then go for integration proper with all the sign, everything you have to balance. Everything you can balance it. Only thing what is required here is practice. ನೀವೇ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. But when you start solving, when you start facing the problem, when you have the sign balancing, that will give proper grip of solving the question. That will give you confidence of solving the numerical sums on the integration part. So keep solving the question, keep writing all the term. Same question as I mentioned in the previous video also. You can just make the questions, you can make a list of the question. Every day 10 question you can select randomly. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. You just randomly go for the standard result, 7.1 exercise, 7.2 worked examples which you have. Just write all the, pick out all the question, make a list of the question, select 10 to 15 questions and then start solving them. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, then you'll get a proper grip. Your mind will be set for the integration process. Okay, so let's move on for, I hope you can guess it, what should be done for integration of cos raised to 4x now. So almost same procedure, cos raised to 4x to be taken as cos square x whole square. So cos square to be taken as 1 plus cos double. Okay, I hope you remember which formula comes in your mind. Cos square theta is equal to, we have 1 plus cos double 2 theta by 2. So x there, 2x whole divided by 2. So 2 square, 1 by 4 balance. We have a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So again, integration of 1, we are happy to see this. Integration of cos 2x also, I'm happy to see this. But again, I'm stuck with integration of cos square. Cos square. So I should use the formula 1 plus cos double 2x double 4x whole divided by 2. So here the terms left out as it is. So here I find splitting of the term I had done 1 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x by 2 plus cos 2x here. So 1 plus 1 by 2 are simplified in the numerical part 3 by 2. At this stage integration process can be done. Integration of 3 by 2 possible with respect to x. Integration of cos 4x by 2 is possible with respect to x. Ready to integrate, ready to integrate, ready to integrate. These terms are ready to eat now. So let's go for it. Okay. So we have 3x by 2 bracket togota ideni ile 3x by 2 plus we have cos 4x we have sin 4x by 4 2s are 8 2 kept as it is here sin 2x by 2 2 eliminates plus c. So 4 has been taken term by term multiplication. We have 3x by 4 2s are 8 sin 4x upon 32 plus sin 2x by 4 plus c should be the answer. Similarly, you can remember integration of tan raised to 4x. Integration of tan raised to 4x to be taken as tan square x. Don't go for the previous one which are done. ಅದು tan square whole square ತೋಳಿಕ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ tan raised to 4x to be taken as tan square into tan square. Remember the step. Sin raised to 4 cos raised to 4 ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ tan raised to 4 to be taken as tan square into tan square. ಸೊ ಒಂದು tan square ನ secant square x minus 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇವ್ರು ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ tan square x into secant square x minus we had tan square x. I hope you remember integration of tan square x ಯಾವುದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ to be taken as secant square x minus 1 ಇವ್ರು ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇವ್ರದು. But what about this? Here we can claim for substitution. This integration are taken separate. This integration are taken separate. This to be taken for substitution. Put tan x is equal to t. Differentiation of tan x is secant square. Can be balanced. Whereas tan square x to be taken as secant square. Tan square x to be taken as secant square x minus 1. So this will be done in the substitution. I taken here integration of t square with respect to t minus integration of tan square secant square x minus 1 with respect to x. Got it? Fine. So integration of t square t cube by 3 minus, be careful about minus, we have two terms to integrate here, take a bracket. Integration of secant square x with respect to x, we have tan x minus integration of 1 with respect to x, it is x plus c. So t ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು tan cube x denominator 3 minus tan x minus into minus plus x plus c should be the answer for integration of tan raised to 4x. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So now tell me what should be done for integration of sin raised to 4 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? sin raised to 4x ಇದ್ರೆ take sin raised to 4x as sin square whole square. Isn't it? Which just now we are done. Sin square whole square. Then a minus b whole square 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 and then a minus b whole square, then go for it. Again cos square we are going to occur again to be taken. ಹಾಗೆ cos raised to 4 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. cos raised to 4 1 plus cos 2x by 2 cos square whole square then 1 plus cos a plus b whole square. Whereas tan raised to 4 cot raised to 4 secant raised to 4 cosecant raised to 4 will be done under the same method. So here we have done, and let's move on for integration of cot raised to 4x to be taken as cot square x into cot square x. You can give a pause to the video, try to solve and then cross verify answer. So cot square into cot square, e cot square na cosecant square x minus 1 cot square into cosecant square x minus we have cot square x. Idu substitution ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Integration of cot square we know it very well, isn't it? Fine. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitution claim ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ which I taken it here. Integration of cot square x into cosecant square x minus integration of cot square x with respect to x. Substitution. Put cot x is equal to t. Differentiation. Minus cosecant square x is equal to dt by dx. Cosecant square x with respect to x is minus dt. So back to the I. We are left out with e minus ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು minus. This is equal to here. This is not minus. Here we have minus because of minus dt minus integration of t square dt minus integration of cot square to be taken as cosecant square x minus 1. So minus kept here, integration to be done t cube by 3 minus integration of cosecant square x as minus cot x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. Minus ಮೇಲೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. minus, just keep it out and take a bracket so that you should not go wrong. So now integration is done. Let's go for t will be replaced by, we have minus, t is nothing but cot cube x, denominator 3, minus into minus plus cot x, we have plus x plus c should be the answer. So again tan raised to 4 ಮಾಡ್ ಹಾಗೇನೆ cot raised to 4 ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ cot square ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Remember the steps. Now we have integration of sec raised to 4x. Same secant square x into secant square x. 1 secant square x na 1 plus tan square x ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. Term by term should give you integration of secant square x plus secant square x into tan square x. Secant square x, I hope you're not surprised after seeing this term. Integration of secant square x is ready to integrate. Formula, ready-made formula, we have tan x. But second half part, we had to claim for substitution. Alle tan x derivative is secant square. So put tan x is equal to t. We have secant square x with respect to x dt. So let's put it back here. We have I is equal to, this integration I had done it. If you want, you can keep one more step as it is. But integration of secant square x I had done it as tan x. Plus this part left out, integration of t square with respect to t. So this part has to be integrated. So we had tan x, which is already done, plus we had t cube by 3 plus c. So let's have the tan x plus tan cube x by 3 plus c should be the answer. What about integration of cosec raised to 4x? To be taken as cosec square x into cosec square x. Same as tan raised to 4 we had done, cot raised to 4 we had done, sec raised to 4 we had done. Same here also cosec raised to 4x. Only sin raised to 4x ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos raised to 4x ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay. So we have cosecant square x. Here also we have 1 plus cot square x term by term. Cosecant square x plus cosecant square x into cot square x. Substitution. ಯಾರನ್ನ put ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Put cot x is equal to t. Differentiation, be careful, minus cosecant square x dt by dx. Minus balanced, and let's come back with the I part. I is equal to, we have integration of cosecant square is ready made, minus cot x, minus kept here as it is, substitution, integration of t square with respect to t, minus balanced. So we have minus cot x, integration of this, t raised to 3 by 3 plus c, minus cot x minus this to be replaced, we have cot cube x by 3 plus c should be the answer. Okay, so here similarly ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಇವೇ ಯಾವುದು sin ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ cos ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ 2x ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, 3x ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. cosec raised to 4x we had discussed, but I may give you integration of cosec raised to 4. I can give you 6x, I can give you 2x, I can give you 3x. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, so shortly we'll go for numerical sum. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ theory part ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Along with these results, even you need to remember transformation formulas. So which are the transformation formula? Product to sum. Last year, PUC first year, sum to product I used sin C plus sin D. I hope you remember. So sum was not required, product was required. But ille product is itself is danger part for us. Integration of product we are not required right now. So let's go use the transformation wherein product to sum or difference the terms are considered. So first formula to be remembered, sin A cos B. Remember the formula. Only these 4 formulas transformation will be using. Sin A cos B is half sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Cos A sin B is equal to half sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Cos A cos B, it is 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Sin A sin B, be careful, warning bell. Be careful, half. But here cos A minus B, nodi, A plus B there. Followed by A minus B. So here I should say cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, or you might have noted the last year formula, sin A sin B is minus 1 by 2. This might be the formula for which you had taken, which I have modified here. We have minus 1 by 2. We have cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This might be the formula, but using this formula is also we don't mind. But anyway, this minus has to be balanced, and this minus has been balanced, and therefore we have the result ulta, the reverse. So this is a better option to remember. So sin A sin B, warning bell. Cos A cos B, very easy to remember. Half cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Sin A cos B anta nobekare sin occurs first, so we had to use plus. Cos occurs first, we had to use minus. So only just a hint I'm giving to remember, but you can remember these formulas in your own way, and please write these formulas, transformation formula, once again in the list of formulas. In the list of formula, right here, sin A cos B cos A sin B cos A cos B sin A sin B. In the list of formula ಒಳಗೆ ಇವನು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, required. Got it? Fine. So in my next video, let me continue with numerical sums based on these trigonometric result, which includes exercise 7.3. Meanwhile, you can sit and try 7.3 questions also. Thank you.